Hi, Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster here. We appreciated your feedback on our last presentation on whether and when you need to use a booster on your carpet pre-spray. Today we're going to talk about carpet protectors, particularly as it relates to their use on olefin, triexta, and polyester carpet fibers. But first, we did get some feedback after our last presentation that I can't possibly be taken seriously as a chemical expert unless I'm wearing a chemist's smock and have some beakers in front of me. So I tried. They don't carry chemist smocks at the big man store, but I was able to dig up some beakers with some little bottles to make it look more official. Seriously, thanks for your feedback, and we appreciate the fact that you do ask questions about the information that we present. I've been part of formulating 3 different lines of chemicals in the cleaning and restoration industry, so I do have a pretty good idea of what goes into these products and the types of things that work in them. Today we're going to talk about fabric protection for carpet fibers that are typically called naturally stain resistant: olefin, polyester, and triexta. As you probably are aware, olefin, triexta, and polyester are oil-loving fibers. They also have very poor resiliency. Resiliency is defined as the ability of the carpet to spring back to its original position after it's walked on. And if you put these carpets in a high traffic area, you're naturally going to have in the main traffic lanes some of the fibers lay down, and they don't look as the same as the fibers on the edges of the hallway or the room. But that doesn't have anything to do with soil or stain resistance. So a lot of carpet cleaners are hesitant about selling fabric protectors or carpet protectors on these types of carpet because they are naturally stain resistant. But I want you to understand something about fabric protectors. There are different kinds of carpet protectors on the market now, and they have different types of ingredients. There are 3 basic types of ingredients that go into most carpet protectors. Fluorochemicals, that's what makes the fiber repel water. Okay, if you're used to selling fabric protectors by pouring liquid on a fiber and it beads up on the top, that's what a fluorochemical does. A second ingredient that's in many carpet protectors are dye blockers or acid dye resistors. These work from the inside to the outside of the fiber to help the fiber prevent any foreign staining material from entering into the carpet fiber. And the third type of ingredient that's in many carpet protectors are called polymers. Polymers coat the outside of the fiber, so they protect the fiber from the outside toward the in. So why would you need a carpet protector on a carpet that's naturally stain resistant? Well, first off, if you've been cleaning carpets for long, you know that olefin, polyester, and triexta carpets can stain. You've ran into them where they've stained. Secondly, if you buy the right kind of protector and sell the right kind of protector, like HydroMaster's Complete Guard contains all 3 types of ingredients for carpet protectors. Some of the most popular brands on the market only contain 1 or 2. But Complete Guard contains all 3 types of ingredients: fluorochemicals, and dye blockers, and polymers. When you're putting a carpet protector on olefin, polyester, or triexta, you can give it extra stain resistance, especially with the fluorochemicals. But what's really valuable in any carpet protector that contains fluorochemicals is that it helps the olefin, polyester, or triexta carpet resist oil. And we know that that's one of the primary problems with olefin, triexta, and polyester carpet. So don't be afraid to sell your customer carpet protector if they own those types of carpet. You're doing them a great service. And if you're putting fabric protector down on nylon, make sure that you understand what kind of protector that you're using and whether it contains all 3 of those types of ingredients for maximum protection. Because we know that Complete Guard is one of the most advanced carpet protectors in the world, and it will provide long time protection for stain and soiling to your carpet cleaning customers. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to talking with you next time.